Hello everyone, hello all the new plant parents and plant lover addicts like me. I am so excited to be filming this video today because I have 3 wish list plants to share with you that were literally just dropped off by PlantRunz. And no, I am not looking like this because I didn't know they were coming or anything. I knew they were coming today. I just have taken out my extensions and embraced my natural curl, especially with the humidity that's usually going on right here for the plant babies. So you don't care about my hair. Let's get to the plants. And I must say that I'm so super grateful for PlantRunz because there's no way that I would be having these babies shipped to me. So this is the bag from Rad Plants, which I will probably open first. But let me just do a little rundown introduction without trying to show what's inside. And then another plant here from Thrive and Grow, which was their website launch that I got this. And this was my very, very first rare expensive plant that I ever purchased. And I am so grateful that PlantRunz was able to bring these to me because while I've used like Canada Post, Xpresspost, FedEx, UPS for plants for shipping them in the past, the weather was way different, much better. And here in Canada, it's like snowy, rainy, gross, cold. When PlantRunz just dropped off the plants, it was pouring rain. So you can just imagine, no, it's not like Canada Post's fault, but just the way the system works, having the plants out overnight, or just in like a shipping haul and like in a box, and not good. Not for these quality of plants, you know. I've shipped like heartleaf philodendrons, that kind of thing, but the type of plants that we're talking about here, while they may be philodendrons, maybe just need a little bit more care than that would imply. So thankfully, what PlantRunz does is they will pick up your plants and then bring them directly to you, which is so cool. And okay, so I may have gotten caught watching another Canadian YouTuber called Lulu's Leaves, and you've probably heard of her if you're watching my videos. If not, obviously check her out, because right now her entire like Vlogmas sort of 12 days of Christmas nursery tours is actually sponsored by PlantRunz, so you can see a little bit more about them there. But I am super grateful for the ability to still order plants at this time of year, because I do not live in Toronto. I am outside of the area in between Toronto and Ottawa, so quite a small town that usually doesn't get served by these kind of businesses. So yay, PlantRunz. And God, let me just open the plants, right? Like so we're starting here with Rad Plants, and I'm going to take this off, not because like it reveals anything, but just because their bag is very cute and you can check them out. They have a very cool premise in that they primarily get their propagations donated. They grow plants from there, and then they're able to donate like 100% of the proceeds. So let's get to the plants, because I can see one baby here that I really, really want to show you. Oh my goodness. Okay, here she is. Okay, let me just put that sweet baby down, because oh my goodness, right? This is obviously my brand new pink princess, and oh, she's got the tiniest little baby leaf right here. Can you see? Can you see? So Oh, I guess I gotta hide my face. This leaf is still hardening off right here, and there's a new baby leaf right here. And we've got some beautiful variegation here. Oh, what a gorgeous, gorgeous girl. Oh my goodness, right? I am so lucky to have you. Wow, that new leaf looks like, I don't know if you can see, but like, I don't want to get, like, can you see that that leaf looks like it's gonna be so pretty? Oh my God. Guys, this is like a philodendron pink princess, and it's mine, guys. She's my little baby. Oh my goodness, that's so exciting. Guys, I honestly just want to stare at her. She's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. I need to show you the next one because, oh, I got another baby from Rad Plants. And by the way, I don't even really need to talk about the condition of shipping because it's just not the same as when you get plants shipped. Like, when you get plants shipped from any of these companies, the dirt has moved around. Look at this. There's not a drop of dirt that has been out of place. And this isn't even packaged in the way, like, none. That was water. There's no dirt anywhere. It hasn't spilled at all because PlantRunz is so good, obviously. Okay, so this baby, which I think can block my whole head, so I don't even need to put the hand up as I can see from over there, is my Florida ghost. Ah! Sorry, that probably sounded hilarious, ridiculous, stupid, whatever. But oh my goodness, guys. Look at this beautiful baby. Look at this amazing leaf. Wow. Like, again, I just want to look, want to stare. Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And like, talk about timing on this one, huh? Okay, so actually, that's a really good point. That's the one difference between, like, let me get rid of that, between like a UPS Canada, all that. You determine the speed, so it could be next day if you wanted to. Your plant may come dead because it was outside overnight and it got crushed and etc. But the speed with PlantRunz, because I'm not in Toronto, I think is a little bit slower than if you lived in Toronto, is the other factor. So that may be completely irrelevant if you're in their main service area. But for me, I did order, I think the third one 2.5 weeks ago. So Olivia would like to say hello, apparently. Hello, Puppo. What's going on? Is somebody outside? They're probably across the street. It's probably fine. Do you want to come in here and say hi? Hi. Okay, you're just going to go check it out downstairs? All right, well, she's going to check that out. So, oh my God, I'm just looking at this stem and whew, I love it even more than I thought I did. So yeah, so for me, my original plant was purchased 2.5 weeks ago, and I believe that they just have like 1, maybe 2 times that they come out the Ottawa way a month. So it just timed out much better with the purchase of these ones, which I believe then were only like a week ago. Now, oh, well, could we get interrupted by anything else? Oh, I'm positive that's those phone scammers. Like, note to everyone, the Canadian government does not want you to pay your fines via gift card, and they will not contact you by phone. So just ignore the scammers, okay? Anyways, for my Florida Ghost, I think it was like about a week, so much quicker turnaround time. Now, what is really cool to know is that PlantRunz is taking care of your plants in the meantime. So they are giving them proper light, care, etc., checking on the water. So they updated me when they dropped off the plants really quickly just at the door, because of course it's like a social distance thing and I want to give them space and be respectful. But yeah, they were so nice, and they made sure that I got my plants, and I'm just so thrilled with that service. So let me just put this one down and pick up this little beauty from Thrive and Grow. It looks like there's a card in here that I would like to get off and see. And the back of this has care instructions on it, as well as it looks like this has care instructions. Okay, so the first company, as I mentioned, was donating 100% of their proceeds to a variety of local charities. It says this one is donating 2% of the total profits to Canadian Mental Health Association and Flora and Fauna International. So that's pretty cool. So that's Thrive and Grow, and there's a little message on here. Lovely. Thank you. And now let's open this beautiful baby. What are you here? Oh, looks like a nice little proper invoice, packing slip, however you would like to say. And I don't really want to rip this up, but if I can squish it out and do a slow reveal. If you're watching, guess as this baby comes out in the comments. Oh my God, it's so, oh, it's so beautiful. Guys, it's my white knight. And the pictures were insufficient. Oh my God, the gorgeousness of this stem. Okay, so we need to admire this. Oh, guys, the variegation on the leaves, but also like on the stem. Whew. Okay, can you see? That leaf. Look, it's really trying to find my face, this camera. That leaf, but can you see the stem? Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, wow. Can you see this? Oh, look at that variegation. Oh my God, guys. Look, I'm saying guys, I don't even say that. I say like everyone and stuff. Oh, okay, I want to give your leaves the sweetest little wipe down. Oh my goodness. And this is still like a baby leaf in here. If feel like I have the hiccups through this whole video, by the way. That's fun. Anyways, let me just stare at you and love you. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Oh, he's so pretty. So, did I say? I don't know. I told you to guess. Hopefully you guessed. But this is my white knight. And I think the only white knight a woman really needs. Especially a modern feminist woman. So, yeah. Oh my goodness, guys. Did I show him off enough? Can you see how pretty? Can you see? Oh, guys. Here's the thing that happens sometimes with plants that I've noticed anyways, is that you buy your plant and then it feels like every other plant you see is maybe prettier, but in reality, oh, my plant is so pretty. You are beautiful and perfect. Wow. So pretty. Okay. I think, yeah, we gave a little bit of water there. A little bit. Moisten you up maybe. You're so sweet. Cute. Perfect. Oh God. Oh, look at what I think I just noticed. Is it starting to grow another growth point down there? Can you see? Oh, there's like a little, I don't know if this moss is like blocking the view. Can you see that down there? Hello? I think that's what that might be. I don't know for sure, honestly, guys, but something is very cute there and I love it regardless. So yeah, can I get like at least 2 of these babies up here for a little photo? What's this? Like, this is me posing for the screen grab. So back to reality now that I'm done just sort of staring at my plants. I can't recommend everyone enough. From Thrive and Grow to Rad Plants to PlantRunz. I can't say enough. And actually, this is like, a very cute bag was what I was gonna say. And there's just their little business card too. So yeah, honestly, I really love the eco-friendly nature of a plant company using a reusable bag. So yeah, I will definitely keep this. So in case you can't tell, I loved the entire experience. Everything was amazing and communication was great with all the companies. I'm just staring at these beautiful babies down here. Ooh.